what am I cooking today? I think I'm going to be cooking some shrimp with, I need to lower the volume, with some spaghetti. And that spaghetti is this kind of a spaghetti. One eternity later. Spaghetti fell from the cabinet. I got a moldy ragu sauce thingy. Thankfully, I found a new one, another one. Then Layla started to cry like crazy over there. I had to hold her. That's why you see her in a little bit where I'm doing some of the stuff because I had to do it. My eye looks terrible there. And now I have to pick up this mess. It's already 4. And today the day was rainy. Now it's kind of like you can see the sun, but over there, but it was raining in the morning, and you can see the clouds over there that are leaving already because they already came with rain. And basically that's it. I did the laundry in the morning, or I folded the dried clothes. I want to give a bath to the puppies. I don't know if I have mentioned it in a vlog, but my dog, my poodle, had puppies like almost 2 months ago, or it could have been 2 months ago. I can't remember. And she got 5 puppies. She's the poodle, the Chewbacca white poodle that I have. She has 5. She had 2 brownie ones, a very black one, a white one, and I spotted black and white one. And I'm keeping the black and white one. The white one goes to my sister. One of the brown ones, which was the only girl, goes to a lady that is going to train the little doggy to be with her daughter, because her daughter has autism. I think it's autism that she said. So she's gonna have the little puppy with her, and she's gonna give it to her for Christmas Day. So she's coming to pick it up for Christmas Eve. And yes, the puppies would have already been for the 8 weeks growth that they can be apart from the mom. And because the puppies only like eat from mom from between 6 to 8 weeks, so it's okay. And the other 2, I'm not sure still what's gonna happen, if somebody else wants it or not, but we'll see. I will update you that. And I was washing and drying the blanket or the towel that I want to use, so when I give him a bath. So I'm doing that too. So I'm gonna clean up, and I'll catch you later, see what happens, if nothing else terrible happens to me. It's like a little runt. He's so malnourished. I don't think the other doggies let her eat as much. She's really weak. It's okay. Yep, yep. Well, that's the shower for the puppies. I'm editing the video. We are on the bed right now. Memo's in the living room watching TV. Just wanted to show you. I showed you that I gave the puppies a bath, and then one of them seemed very weak. I hadn't noticed, and I have him here. I have him right here. Because you see him? Because he's a little runt. I don't think Mama gives him much to eat, and since he's very little, the other siblings of course take over and leave him alone and without food, and he's right there. He's very weak and his eyes are closed most of the time, and he's very cold. Memo had him for a while because, you know, men are warmer, and so he had him there for a while so he could get warm again, and it seems like he's getting better. Can you see his little tiny eyes? That crazy girl. But I just wanted to tell you guys, and that's it. I will catch you guys later, and thank you for watching and for subscribing, and yeah, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.